Hey everyone, welcome to another one. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect any calendar with your Nedzo account. So more specifically using cal.com. And the beautiful thing is that cal.com is a Calendly alternative that will enable you to connect any calendar, whether it's a Google Calendar, iCal, Outlook, you name it. And best part, it's free. So let's dive into it and let me show you step by step how to do it. Okay. If you go to your Nedzo account and you go to the integrations tab, you'll see this section under connections. And you see here, all you got to do is add an API key and click save. So I will walk you through the steps on how to create a cal.com account, how to find the API key, and then how to connect your calendar. All right. First things first, head over to cal.com. If you don't have an account yet, just click get started. Okay. So in this case, I will create a quick one. Add a username, an email, and a password. There we go. Then you can agree to the terms of use and you should be ready to go. Now make sure to check your inbox to confirm your email. It should look something like this. Click verify email. And now just follow the steps. Pretty simple. Second step, connect your calendars. In this case, I will connect Google Calendar. Then step 3, if you want to connect your Zoom or Google Meet, you can do so. If not, you can set up it later. Now set your availability, click next. And finally, if you want to add anything to your profile, you can do so. Click finish. And there you go. Now you have your cal.com account. So for the next steps, now let's find your API key and then let's connect one of your calendars to an agent. So first thing, let me head over here to settings. Then you go here to developer API keys. You click add, you can give it a name. You can set it to never expire. And there you go. You have your new API key. Just copy it now. Go to your Nedzo account, API key, and click save. That's it. Now you have your cal.com connected with your Nedzo account. The next step is connecting one of your calendars to one of your agents. Okay, so let's do that. Click done here, go back, and you will see here, these are your different calendars, and you can create as many as you'd like. I will use this one, the demo one, just for, or the 15-minute meeting, just an example. You can click here to preview it if you'd like. This is how it looks like. And these are the questions that you have. So all you got to do is select your calendar event. And here on the top, after event types, you'll see a couple numbers. This is your calendar ID. So just click copy. Okay. Go to your Nedzo agent, select one, go to advanced connections, select cal.com, enter your ID, and that's it. Just make sure to click save, okay? And this is how easy it is to connect a cal.com calendar to Nedzo. And of course, you can do this over and over again with as many calendars as you'd like. Now, one quick info is when you are connecting cal.com calendars, you also have the ability to add specific form questions, right? Now, if I scroll down, you'll see here, I can add more questions, right? And you have the options of marking them as required or not. So it's very important that if you're using a calendar with specific questions, if you set them as required, Nedzo will not be able to schedule an appointment. Why? Because it will only use the email, the name, and the phone number to book that appointment. Okay, so make sure that you have them as optional or use a different calendar with no required fields besides the email, name, and phone number for that event. And that's it. If you have any questions, reach out to our team and I'll catch you on the next one.